Hello everyone, let me show you how to scan documents with your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So let's go to the camera application and to settings, this gear icon in the top left corner. Here we need this setting scene optimizer, not just toggle it on, but go deeper, go inside this setting and toggle on this scan documents and text function, like this. Now let's go back to our camera and let's try to scan some document. Well, when you see your document is outlined by the yellow line, we are ready to press this yellow button with the T inside, or you can also see the scan word here. It depends on the document type, and just press this yellow button. And later you can adjust the document corners like this if you need. And don't forget to tap Save. That's it. Now you can go to Gallery and you will find your scan over there. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.